Alright, fit people, welcome to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Today we are on day number 15, guys. Today we are going to work the hamstrings and the back. Alright, we will need a fitness mat and the 2 bottles. The way we are going to do this workout, we will be doing 30 seconds on, we rest 15 seconds, and then we move on to the next exercise. If you're new to this channel, my name is Coach Remy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workout you can do at home or anywhere else that fits. If you're new, hit subscribe and the bell notification so that you don't miss out on the future workout. Let's jump right into our workout. So you keep on standing forward, standing upright, and then you're pulling upwards. Elbow stays always above the wrist during the movement, and make sure you're also elevating your shoulders and retracting them at the same time.
As long as you will just tell me you like a company, like something good that you found.
Beautiful. Let's do one more for the upright row, which will work the traps.
Right now, 'cause I don't wanna go.
And then we go on the ground to work the glutes, the hamstrings. Let's go.
Don't feel lost when I'm up here, when you're here with me. Oh, don't wanna go, I'll stay if you'll have me. Got a laugh that makes me laugh. Tell me how you look like that. Used to see the world in gray, but now everything's vibrant. There's so much love inside it, with everything you softly say. So tell me.
Beautiful. Let's go on the ground. First one, we are going to do glute bridges. So bend your legs, open your arms, and squeeze the glutes. So feet are hip width apart.
I don't wanna go, stay if you'll have me.
Beautiful. Next exercise, we're going to do alternate glute bridge. Each time we switch the leg.
Don't wanna go.
Let's go.
No, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. Cause I don't wanna go, yeah. I don't wanna leave, but rather stay right where.
Beautiful. So do the tabletop. Now we're going to do kickback.
Stay if you have me.
Let's go. rounds to go. Now we do fire hydrant and then kick back. Over the halfway point. I'm so excited, guys. So if it was your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and write something in the comment about how you felt about this workout. And as always, Coach Remy here, bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do at home. And thank you for spending your time with me, and invite 1 or 2 friends. Let's get fit and stay fit. Bye bye.